Hi folks, and welcome back to Modern Herbalist. So just a quick update, because in the last video I mentioned that I'm going to be taking a lot of my indoor herbs outside, particularly the thyme, which was really struggling indoors, as well as a couple of other things. But I realized that actually I've got this windowsill, right? And this is probably a really good spot for these oregano plants, because the oregano wasn't a struggler. It was getting on okay in my other room with the indoor setup. Perhaps not optimal, but it was getting on okay, all right? So I actually thought I'd move all of the oregano cuttings, all of them, to this single windowsill. I think it's going to be a little better for them because they're going to get natural light. This is a south-facing window, and they're going to get the most possible natural light here. They were doing okay in my other indoor setup, which is a bit limited for natural light because I have those blinds, because it's actually a room I'm in a lot, and you know it's actually on a main road, so I don't want people peering in, you know, but that's why I have those LED grow lights. But this is kind of more secluded, and these are going to get the full cycle of natural light every day. So I thought I'd actually bring these out here and see how they get on here. The thyme has been moved outside, and I am planning to double down on the subtropical plants in the other indoor room. That's the pineapple and blackcurrant sage, and also the Cola artemisia plant. But these are going to sit here for a while, and I'll update you on how these oregano plants come along. As you can see, all of these are oregano. So if everything works as planned, we are going to be in mass production of oregano very shortly. All right? Okay, take care. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.